From Cairo to Aswan, we took an overnight train. As you can imagine, the cabins were quite small, 2 people per cabin. It wasn't the most luxurious way to travel, but it was efficient. I always loved trains. Loved looking out the windows, but of course it was dark much of the trip. But here's a little bit of the view as we arrived into Aswan. Our first stop in Aswan is to go to the Temple of Philae. Getting to the Temple of Philae, you arrive by boat, since it is on an island. It was built in honor of the goddess Isis. This temple complex, the construction started in the year 690 BC. It actually had to be moved just 500 meters away to another island because of flooding. It took 8 years from 1972 to 1980 to actually move the 47,000 stones. It was an amazing feat. Enjoy the pictures and check out the links in my description for more information.